Status check. Temperature
optimal.
coffee.
Decaffeine.
Welcome on board. Okay, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching this video from. So to get started with the UX and UI design, today I'm going to show you how to download Adobe XD, Adobe Experience Design, and you can download it for free, no payment option. For the free plan, they give you 2 gigabytes of cloud storage that you can use to store your files. So okay, without wasting much of your time, let's jump straight into it. Let's go to our browser. Open your favorite browser. It might be Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Let's go straight into it. For me, I've got
Microsoft. For me, I've got Chrome. Let's go straight into it. Thank you.
So let's jump straight into Chrome and let's start installing our Adobe XD. So as you can see, if you follow the link that I left in the description below, it will take you here. Then when you are here, you can see the website. It's looking so nice. I think one of the days you're going to be the one who is going to design all of these things. So let's go straight to the top where there's a link to download. So for us, we are not going to buy anything. We're going to start with the free version. So when you start with the free version, they give you 2 gigabytes of cloud storage, which you can use to store all of your materials, all of your designs, all of your artboard, which is enough for someone. And the other advantage as well, if you don't want to save your documents on the cloud storage, you can save them in the local directory. There's no problem. You can save them and you can use them anytime. But the advantage of saving them on the cloud, when you're prototyping and when you preview, it will be so easy. You can see how it looks like on the mobile, especially when you're using the mobile. So now Adobe XD is installing. As you can see here, it's just a small bundle. It's just like 2 megabytes. It's very small. Okay, so let's wait for Adobe XD to finish. Now the problem that I have, the network today, it's very slow. The parts of the where I'm staying in the. Okay, now it's done. Welcome back. Now it's done downloading. So as you can see, Adobe setup is here. So I'll open this one. Then it will take me straight to Adobe Creative Cloud. For me, it's lucky enough. My Creative Cloud is already installed and it's already set up. So as you can see, my Adobe is there. It's just waiting for something. So what I'll do is I'll go and open Adobe. I'll close this tab, then I'll close this one. So I'll jump straight into Adobe XD. As you can see, there's a logo here, Adobe XD. So when you install it, so what I'm going to do here, I'll jump straight into Adobe XD and start designing some cool stuff. So waiting for it to open. So let me maximize this screen. Our Adobe is loading. Okay, let me maximize this screen. So as you can see, there are some projects that I've been doing. So now to start with a new canvas, so let me start a new project. So I'll press this one, which will be my new canvas. So this is like the size of a so here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add some simple stuff and show you how it works. So to add text, I think, which is one of the basic things, I'll come here, then I'll just press this T, it's for text, then I'll come here, then I'll say welcome to Adobe XD, right? Welcome to Adobe XD, right? Okay, not enter. So when I come here, then if you want to change the color, it's right here. I want the color to be some sort of a purplish pinkish color, something like this. Then I'll put the border maybe of the same color though. Maybe let me just put this one. So there are 2 options. So I'll resize it through here. Welcome to Adobe XD. Oh, this font is not nice. So let me go to my favorite font, Roboto. Where's my font? Yeah, this is one of my favorite font. So I'll use Roboto here. Let me use this Roboto Slab. No. So I'll use this one. Welcome to Adobe XD. So let me just resize it to be a little bit smaller. Then I'll just add a small button. So to add a small button, I'll just use this two. Then I just grab here. Okay. So I need this button to have a red background. Then no border. So I need the border radius to be something like this. Then I'll add some text in here. Some text here, subscribe. So I'll resize my text. Let me select this one. So what I'll do, I'll resize my text, then I'll change color to be white, then border to be white as well. So I'll put this one, subscribe to my channel. So now I just want to put that for like. So I'll put another button. Let me put another button here first. Then we go for like. So it's subscribe, like, and share. So let me put this button here. So this one will have a border. Let me give it a black border. Then for each color, fill nothing. So on this one, I'll just put a black text, I think. So I'll come here, then grab some text, then share. Come to this one, then change color for text to be black. As you can see, the magic is happening. We are already now a designer, a UX designer. There's nothing so scary about doing it. So I'll come here, then I'll just put my share right here. So I'll grab this button. Let me put it just, wow, what have I done? So I'll select these two, then I'll grab them this side. So now I want to use some icons. So if you want to install plugins and icons, you can come down here this side where there's this icon is for plugins. Then you come here, or you just come here at the plugins, then you add your plugin. What Adobe will do is like they will show you all of the plugins that you can install. As you can see, these are all of those plugins that you want, collections, whatever you want. Then you can say view all plugins. So unfortunately for me, my plugins, the plugins that I usually use, they're already installed. So you can install, let me just which one at my like. So let me use this one. Where is Andro? Okay. So let me just use this one. Install this one. So it's now installing. When it's done installing, you can use it. It will appear here. So what I will do is like I like this to use icons from this one. So I need a like, so it's thumb. So I need this icon, thumb up, then I'll grab it. I'll change color to be blue. Which blue? This blue. Yes. So I'll grab shift. Wow, we are already designers. Welcome to Adobe XD. Please subscribe and like and share my channel, and I need more. You are already a UX designer. So subscribe, like, and share my videos, so we keep on seeing more of my videos that are going to come in future. And whenever I upload a new video, please hit the icon, the bell icon where I'm going to upload new videos. You're going to see everything. Thank you very much. This is your guy ARAZET. I love you so much.